8th and oh sorry. And this is really random, but I was playing Minecraft and I've been wanting to make mascara. Oh no, I've been wanting to do this on Minecraft for a long time, and I couldn't find it on Google or anything, and so I got mad. So now I made it, and I'm very proud of it. And so I just want to okay, yeah. It says, yeah, wait. Okay, so here's my setup. That's PlayStation for my bro, and this is me. I don't know what I just did. Okay. Okay, we're gonna try to show this. Okay, I'm sorry about this. Sorry, inconsiderate. Please just continue watching the video. Nothing happens. Okay, so, oh my god. This isn't coming up. Oh no. Yeah, look at that. You see how you can't see it at all? That's what I love about my TV. It's that rainbow. The rainbow waterfall. It's so beautiful. I'll try to get it at a different angle. I'll never do a tutorial for this because this was tutorial stuff. And then it was snowing on one side, and okay, it was just like yuck. Yep, so there we go. There you have it, my Monday. Hope you like it. Yeah. Gosh. I'm not gonna do another upload till Monday. I'm sorry. Or I'll do one with my brother, because I don't sing in front of people. I sing in front of you. I don't sing in front of people. Yeah.